Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a long time ago. Well, snapshot when I was in California. Well, this is my subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used a filter called Find Edges. And I'm going to try some kind of, well, pencil drawing type pastel color illustration from these two images. Now get started. Okay, I'm going to check this blend mode. Change to, let's see, dark color, linear burn. Linear burn, pretty nice. Look at this. Drawing out outlines, then maybe I add some colors to these. That's nice. South America. Okay, and I may use this linear burn. Then let's see. Overlay. This is nice color too. Yeah, nice. Light image. Then what else? Pin light. Luminosity. Well, I pretty much use this luminosity blend mode. Then maybe this time too, because we get some subtle colors, pastel colors, so that's easy to use this, and I add some color to this. Yeah, of course, overlay is fine. Nice. Well, linear burn. That's pretty nice. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna use this luminosity to fix. Okay, make group and duplicate this group. Then flatten image. This is a luminosity effect layer. Now one more thing, turn it off to keep this one. Then change luminosity to, I kind of like this. Well, this time though, I'm gonna use mask to get colors from these. Yeah, I'm looking at this building. Highlight colors from linear burn. Then shadow side is from this overlay. How's this? Maybe shadow colors. Colors of the shadow side is maybe, yeah, I guess lighter than linear burn. Highlight side. So gotta watch out, huh? Well, in this case, overall image, this linear burn as a reference. Then pin it on this luminosity effect layer maybe, so I can change the colors on the illustration, I think. Alright, in this case, well, just let me try to start. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this luminosity effect layer again, then change blend mode to multiply, so color goes a little more dark. So, well, tone down just a touch, 50%, a little bit more darker, maybe about 70. Yeah. Okay, march down. Alright. Okay, let me change all the names first. Rename. Okay, I changed all the names. This luminosity effect layer is gonna be the base image. Now I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type and original. Get out from this group. Then this group, delete this group folder, and then okay, these three layers I'm gonna work on. Now I wanna add some colors. Okay, let's see. Well, I want to see this reference. Okay, use the reference here. This is nice. These colors, huh? Now this is watercolor brush. Okay, let me see. Let's try. That's not what I want to do. Let me test. Use gouache. That's not what I want to do neither. Well, okay, let me see La Puna. Now I'm painting real rough. Okay, I'm gonna use smudge to smudge with gloaming. Let me see. Let me try. Oh, it'll work. Nice. Well, overall, nice blue sky. I may change the brush to painting. Let's see, watercolor brush texture. Well, some kind of illustration, huh? Let's see, I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image, go all the way top, then change blend mode. Well, check later. Now it's just leave it. Then this is luminosity effect layer. This is a normal now, base. Let's see this original image. Let me move up to over this color. Then change blend mode. Really, look at this. Goes much color burn, such as shows more saturated color so much. Isn't that interesting? This original image change blend mode to overlay. Look at this. Get some dark area. Maybe this is fine. Nice. Much color contrast. Yeah. Give it more punch. Well, clean up so much, huh? That's pretty interesting and pretty nice. I like it. I may have some colors though. Just touch basement. Touch more. Let me add color here. Let's see. Use the Larapuna to add some orange-ish. Okay, I think, yeah, in this case I want to add white border, huh? I do usually, and I'm going to use a pencil drawing type image. And since we have in this base image luminosity effect layer, so I'm going to add layer here, then use this time using table to add white on this layer. Well, about this texture, what do you think? Well, I think that's it for today. Yeah, pastel color. Well, let me see. Okay, turn it off, these images. Okay, we have, now this is the original image. Then I use original image and this pencil drawing type image. Change pencil drawing type image blend mode to luminosity effect to get this luminosity effect layer. Blend mode. No, oh, this is luminosity effect layer on pencil drawing type image. Got this image. Well, actually darken the colors. Then this is the base image. I add colors like so. I painted on different color. Blend mode is normal. With the brush I used Larapuna almost, and also the watercolor brush almost, yeah. To get this color, then I add original image, change to overlay to get color contrast. Pretty much different image, isn't it? Okay. Then last one, I add white border outlines with this. Well, that's it. That's all about it for today, and well, pretty much light illustration. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Making an illustration from your photograph, or maybe changing blend mode to get different expression and add colors. Well, I hope it's gonna give you some kind of idea, huh? Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.